Hello and welcome to DDT's Tech. So this is a video on the basics of forex trading. So you've been wondering how others can make 1,000 over 1,000 plus dollars within some few minutes, over 1,000 plus dollars within hours, and you're also willing to make those amounts. And you've been wondering about how to get started and what's the forex trading all about. To cut everything short, I'm just going to show you the basics so you're going to understand everything that goes into forex trading. Okay, so this is an ebook I wrote, and the link for this ebook is below in the description. So it's going to lead you to my Telegram channel as well. All the links are below in the description. If you are new to this channel as well, I will just advise you to subscribe, hit the notification bell, also like this video, so more forex tutorials, you don't miss them. So let's get started um, with this basics of forex. So how do you get started with forex? How do you set up your set up for forex trading? You need to have a recommended broker, and I recommend Exness to you. The link for signing up Exness and everything you need to know about Exness and how to connect Exness to your trading platform is below in the description. It's a YouTube video I've also done, so you can just check it out, and then you can also get started with with Exness. Links here to join my Telegram channel, to register the broker, to watch how to register, and to my YouTube channel are all in the ebook. So you have the opportunities to do so. So we're going to talk about some Forex basics. This is just a summary I'm going to do on the ebook. Okay, I'm not going to cover everything on the ebook, so you just download the ebook and also read at your own pace. So talking about the Forex trading basis, that's talking about Forex and some major currency pairs, as well as some major brokers on some trading platforms you can use. Then coming to the chapter 2 of the ebook, that is technical analysis. So we're going to look at the chart types and patterns, the indicators and oscillators, and also some few things under them. Talking about the fundamentals, that's about news and other major news that you can trade on. And then risk management, using stop loss and position sizing. As well, trading psychology, how your emotions in trading. And then advanced trading strategies, that's talking about swing trading, scalping and other trading. And then talking about trading tools like trading softwares and only automated trading systems, as well as trading signals and alerts. And then for the last chapter, talking about some trading tips and some best practices. Okay, so now what is all about forex trading? Forex trading is just the activity of buying and selling of currencies, which aims at making profit. Okay, so just selling and buying of currency could be gold for US dollar, euro for Japanese yen. You can also trade commodities as well. You should know that the forex is a decentralized platform. Okay, so no one controls it. So it's just about the exchange of currencies. Alright, so you can read more on those. So we're going to talk about the major currency pairs. What are the major currency pairs? So we have the Euro USD, you have the USD JPY, we have the GBP USD, that's the British pounds versus the US dollar, and a few here. So how do you know find this in practical aspect? So let's say anytime you have, let's say, Euro USD right here, there's a EUR USD. If you buy euro, meaning you are buying euro to sell USD. So depending on the market, whether euro is falling or euro is rising, So depending on how the market structure is, if you buy euro, meaning you are buying euro to sell USD, or if you buy USD, you are buying USD to sell euro. So that's how it works. And other main videos on all this will also, I'm going to provide you guys with it. So understanding currency codes, that's if the price, if anytime you buy a currency pair at, let's say, 1.2 thousand, it means that 1 euro is worth 1.2 thousand. So coming to my charts, so anytime I buy at this blue price, you see that 1954,553. So anytime I buy gold, so this is a gold platform, sorry, a gold chart. Anytime I buy gold at this price, meaning that meaning that one gold is equal to 1954,553 USD. So that's what it means. And talking about trading platforms, trading platforms like the trading view I opened, link is below in the description. You can also use MetaTrader 4 and 5 and XNext as well. XNext link is also in the description. So I will advise you use trading platforms like the trading view for your trade setups and analyzing your charts, and then MetaTrader 5 for issuing trades or executing trades. Talking about choosing a broker, I use XNS, and that's what I'm going to suggest to you. The link is below in the description. Okay, you can check it out. Now let's go to the chapter 2, talking about a technical analysis. So technical analysis is a method of analyzing the price movement and chart patterns to identify potential trading opportunities. So we are going to here use tools such as the chart types, indicators, oscillators, trend lines, and candlesticks. Okay, so what are some chart types and chart patterns? So chart types and chart patterns, we could have the line chart, the bar chart, and the candle chart. So what you see right here, this is a candlestick chart pattern. Okay, so we could also have the line chart pattern, and then we could also have the bar chart pattern. So these are some few chart patterns we have, and others as well. Talking about indicators and oscillators. So there are some mathematical calculations which are based on price and volume data, that helps traders to identify potential trading opportunities. Alright, so an example includes the moving average and relative strength index, that's the RSI, and also the stochastic oscillator. So example of the stochastic oscillator is this. So you can see we have the stock RSI. So this is an example of a stochastic oscillator. And deep understanding of technical analysis will be in another video, so just subscribe, hit the notification bell, and wait for that video. And trend lines and supports, trend lines, they help us to identify trends and potential trend reversals. So trend lines such as this is a trend line. The red I drew here is a trend line which identifies potential. So we could have this is here as support, and I have another trend line that's the blue here, which is indicating a resistance. Understanding of this will be in the technical video I said. So also understanding forex fundamentals. So fundamentals, they refer to the macroeconomic factors that affect the value of currencies. Okay, so this could be under the economic indicators, central bank policies, and major events or major news that pops up. So economic indicators and news releases can also affect the markets. And then there are other platforms you can use for these ones, and Example, one of them is the Forex Factory. The link will be below in the description. So here you can find, so you can see that Monday, that's May 29th, is a bank holiday. So if I go to tomorrow like this, we have some major news such as the AUD, talking about the RBA government slowly speaks. Yes, so these are all examples of fundamentals. Fundamentals tutorials will also be in another video. So all you just need to do is to just subscribe, hit the notification bell, join the Telegram channel as well. We're into the chapter 4 of the ebook. Talking about some forex management, Forex management. They help us to identify risks and therefore manage risks. So, example, we have the risks and rewards. So it's just understanding the risks and rewards ratio. That is, anytime you take a trade, you should risk 1 to 2% of your 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 capital. Okay, so you can risk $100, that's for a stop loss, and then risk you know $200 for a potential profit. That's 1:2 risk management. Others also go for 1:4, at 1:3. So any which way, also using stop loss and take profits. So stop loss and take profits also help us a lot. That anytime there is a loss position, let's say the market is not moving in our favor, anytime we set a stop loss, it automatically close trade when market hits that price, so we can also save the rest of our capital in our trading accounts. Also, we take profits, it automatically close trades anytime you are gaining profits and you want it to take profits within a particular uh, price. So it's going to just automatically take that profit and close the trade for you. Also, position sizing, that's determining the appropriate size of trade based on the amount of capital a trader is willing to risk. So it's about, don't risk all your capital on a trade. You should just use 2% of your capital on any single trade. Alright, so with others to go, you can read from the ebook. So moving to the chapter 5, talking about trading psychology. So just talking about the emotions in trading. Alright, so using demo accounts now, you're going to feel has some low emotional uh, emotions. Okay, so since demo account is a demo, and it's not about real money, it's not your real money, it's not any kind of something that is personal to you, so you don't really have any emotions when you are losing. But when you start a roll account and trading, and your money is at risk, and that is when the emotions come. So emotions, they mostly, we mostly get these emotions when we are in a position, whether I buy or sell, whether I profit or loss positions. These are when the emotions come. So you can read more on that. And talking about some swing trading, position trading. So swing trading is taking, you're going to take a trade and hold the position for a period of time that is ranging from few days to a week. Also, position trading, trading and then holding that kind of position for a longer period, like for a month or years. And scalping is just making multiple trades in a short time frame. So scalpers take their profits within a short time, and you can read the rest as well. So as I said, we have trading software and platforms. I've talked about that already. Automated trading systems, most of them have trading bots that trade for them. So uh, yes, others go for those ones as well. So I'm just throwing light on that one. You can read the rest as well. So this is just the basics on forex trading. So please not forgetting, we have we have some forex sessions, or sometimes where you can trade. We have the Sydney session, we have the Tokyo session, we have the London session, the New York section as well, and most of these sessions overlap. So the forex markets, it operates 24 hours a day and 5 days a week, from Monday to Friday, and there are four major trading sessions that are characterized by higher trading volumes and increased market activities. So any of the trading sessions that overlaps, they provide opportunities for traders around the world. So for the Sydney session, it begins at 10 p.m. GMT and ends at 7 a.m. GMT. So when you are trading within the session, the smallest of the major sessions, and with here, it offers opportunities for traders focusing on the Australian dollar and the New Zealand dollar. Trading using the Tokyo session, that one starts at 12 a.m. GMT and concludes at 9 a.m. GMT. And the Tokyo section is known for its liquidity, especially when trading the Japanese yen. And it is worth noting that during this session, the Asian markets such as the Hong Kong and the Singapore are also active. Talking about the London session, which begins at 8 a.m. GMT and ends at 5 p.m. GMT. The London session is also considered the most liquid and volatile session due to the overlap. So this overlaps with the Tokyo session for some few hours, and trading major currencies like the euro, uh, GBP, that's the British pounds, Great British pounds, and the Swiss francs, like the CHF. These kind of currencies experience high trading volumes, and during this session. So for the last, which is the New York session, it starts at 1 p.m. GMT and concludes at 10 p.m. GMT. This session is also known for its high trading volume, probably because it overlaps with the London session for several hours. And for this, major pairs like the USD are particularly active during this session. So these are some basic knowledge you should know about trading forex. So my aim here is to take you from beginners to the pro, and more mentorship videos I'm going to provide you guys. So just stay updated, join the Telegram channel as well, turn on notifications bell, hit subscribe to this channel as well. Okay, so how to calculate pace is in the mentorship group, so you can join as well. The link will also be below in the description. All right, so thank you guys.